Today we're going to make a fire in the fireplace. I want to check a couple things. That the damper or the flue is open, and it is. It's in the open position. And the next thing you want to check for is how much air is coming down your flue. And you can check that with a lighter. Put the flame under the flue area, and you can see we have air coming down. Flue's been open for about 10 minutes, and there's still a good amount of air coming down. Let's try that again. It's not being blown out, but pretty close to it. So if I were to light the fire right now, more than likely, the cold air, the cold column of air in my flue would push the smoke into my house, and we would have a smoke out. Many people have done that over the years, through the centuries, and have smoked their house out where the fire alarms are going off and all that. So the simple solution for that you can see the flame being blown down. So the simple solution for that is the good old-fashioned hairdryer. We're going to turn this on high and hot for about 1 minute. Point it up the flue. That'll heat the column of air in the flue and reverse the flow of the air from coming down into the house to going up out of the house. Let's turn it on. Going high. So about a minute of running the hairdryer, we're going to get the lighter again. And as you can see, there's no air coming down. So now it's safe to light the fire. And now the flow of air is going up the flue and not down. So when you initially light the fire, all the smoke is going to go straight up the flue and out of your house, which is what's happening here. As you can see, fire's lighting, getting hot, no smoke in the house. And we're starting a nice warm fire. With not a puff of smoke in the house, thanks to the good old-fashioned hairdryer. So that's the tip. In my opinion, it's the best way to start a fire when you have that cold air coming down into your house. And we're good to go. Just start adding more wood. Fire's lit, no smoke in the house. Please feel free to leave comments below, other suggestions. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your fires.